In this video, we will show you how to install your cat door in 12 quick and easy steps. Let's take a look inside the box. The first thing you will find is the front panel with the 4-way locking system. This piece will be on the inside of your door. Next, we have the transparent flap. This allows your cat to look before he leaps. Then, the back panel of your cat door, which will be seen from the outside of your door. Next is the template, which makes positioning your cat door a breeze. Lastly, we have the 3 mounting screws and the easy-to-follow installation guide, which we will walk you through today. Here is what you're going to need: a jigsaw, a drill, 11/32 drill bit, tape measure, ruler, pencil, screwdrivers, sandpaper, and optional carpenter level. The first step is to locate your cat and measure the height of its belly when he or she is standing upright. In our case, her height is 4 inches. Once you have gotten your measurement, you will measure that height from the bottom of your door and draw a short horizontal line where you want the cat door to be. I used the carpenter's level to make sure my line was level. Now you will use that horizontal line to position the bottom of your template, which is this rounded part here. Make sure that the X is at the top and to the left and right of your template. Position the template where you would like it to be on your door, making sure to line it up with the horizontal line you just drew. Secure the template with tape. Now that it is secure, use your pencil to trace along the lines of the template. Don't forget to mark your screw holes where the X's are. For this video, we have chosen to remove the door before moving on to step 6 of the installation guide. This is an optional step, but strongly recommended as it makes installing the LYNX cat door easier. Using your drill screw holes into the middle of each X for the screws. For your safety, before you use your jigsaw, make sure you put on your safety glasses. Start by inserting the blade of your jigsaw into the top screw hole you just drilled. Carefully cut along the pencil line. Once the hole is cut, you will need to smoothen the edges with sandpaper. Or in our case, we are using a metal file because we have a metal door. After all rough edges are knocked down, you can test the fit of the cat door. If necessary, cut out more material with jigsaw to widen the hole until cat door fits. Now that we have a good fit, we will take the front panel and install our flapper by lining up the hinge points and carefully snapping them into place. Next, we will join the front and back panels together. And finally, We will secure the door by using our 3 screws and our Phillips screwdriver. Gently ease the screws into the marked screw holes. Tighten the screws until snug, but don't over-tighten them. Once all your screws are in place, test your door to make sure everything is working properly. Congratulations! Your cat door is complete and ready for use. Make sure you check out the 6 tips for training your cat to use the LYNX cat door found in your installation guide. This will ensure a smooth transition for you and your cat. We hope you enjoy your new cat door, and thank you for choosing LYNX.